Hello guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about unit test. So what is unit test and why we are using unit test using Python? So if I'm talking about Java, so there is a JUnit and in Python there is a PyUnit. But unit tests provide an efficient way to work with test cases. So you can automate the test cases using unit test. So there are 4 modules in unit test, like text fixture. So text fixture is preparation you needed to perform one or more tests. So that is called text fixture. And test cases is smallest unit of test. So we are creating a small unit of test that is called test cases. And test suite collection of test cases. So let's say we are having 20 test cases, and if we will make a suite, or we can combine all 20 test cases, so then it will become a test suite. The fourth one is test runner. So test runner is it return a special value to indicate the result of executing the test. So what is the result, and it will return the result and we can analyze the result. So if I will type here unit test Python, so here there is a doc of python.org. So this is our official website, and here you can see the Python unit test framework, sometimes referring as PyUnit, is a Python language version of JUnit. By Kent Beck and Erich Gamma, JUnit is turned a Java version of Kent Smalltalk test framework. So if we are using PyUnit, this is for Smalltalk framework. Unit test supports test automation, sharing the setup and shutdown code of test. So we will work with unit test here. So if you want to read more about unit tests, so you can visit this official website and you can learn from here. I will go for the coding part. So how we can work with unit test. So I will create a new module. Let's say work with unit test. Finish. So how you can work with unit test? So you have to import first unit test. Let's say I'm having a method which is used to add two variables, let's say a comma b, and it returns some result, return a plus b. So expected value, whenever I will pass a value, let's say 2 and b value is 3, so it will return 5. So we know the expected result and we can make the test cases of this function. So let's say how we can create the test cases of this function. So it's very simple. We create a class. So this is object oriented, and let's say my test class here, and we have to inherit the unit test dot test case. So this is class we are inheriting. After that, there are few methods which you have to implement. We will discuss later. So first of all, we will see here how we can create the test. So let's say I will create a method here, def, and it should start from test. So this is a prefix of creating any test for test case class, and test underscore 1. So this is my first test case, and here I will make some test self dot assert. Here I'm not using dot, that's what gives error. And you can see if I will make cursor on it, so you will see here assertion equal is a function of unit test dot case. So fail if two objects are unequal as determined. So here we are passing first object and second object and some message. So here 3 arguments we can pass, 2 arguments are necessary. So first one is, let's say if I'm using add and I'm passing 6,5, and the second one is 11. So this is my expected value. If I will pass add 6,5, here we are passing expected results, and this is optional. If condition is not meeting, then failed. In this way you can create the test case. So let's see how we can run it. Here I will create a checkpoint if name equals main, and here we will use unit test dot main. And if I will run this code, you will see the output. So use Python run, and here run test. Okay. So if I will create the test 2, so let's say I will create the test which I will make fail. So test underscore 2, this is second case, and here I will pass the same thing, but my expected value is 12, so which is wrong, so it will return fail. Now if I will run this program, just see the output. 2 test cases and 1 got fail. So here you can see some error, and this is failed assertion error. So you can handle this error. This is a runtime error. So how you can handle it? You can use here exception handling. So let's try, and I will make this block inside try, and here accept exception as ex, and here I will print the ex, or we can say failed due to, and this is a string, here ex. So now if I will run this program, this error is coming. Okay, I did not use here concatenate shine here. So if I will run this program, just see the output. So failed due to failed. So here I can write something, let's say not meeting pass criteria. So now if I will run this program, so you see failed due to no meeting pass criteria or not meeting pass criteria. So in this way you can work and you can analyze for function. This is a simple function, and the same thing we will apply for Selenium. I will run this program again, and you can see not meeting pass criteria. So here 2 test cases run, and due to not meeting pass criteria. And this is a creation of test, and you can analyze for any function, any class, or any method using unit test. So this is our intro of unit test, and we will use the unit test in Selenium with WebDriver. So in next video we are going to discuss with HTML test runner. So we will create some test case using Selenium, and we will create the HTML report of test cases. Thanks for watching.